DePuy started selling the ASR worldwide in 2004. It obtained approval from the FDA to start selling the device in the United States beginning in August of 2005. The Australian National Joint Registry issued reports in 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010 that stated unequivocally that the ASR was failing at rates that could not be explained other than there's a serious problem with the device. We know that DePuy received copies of those reports. In fact, DePuy was in direct contact with the Australian National Joint Registry. One of the questions that needs to be answered in this litigation is why DePuy ignored the data of the National Joint Registry of Australia. The lawsuits that we're filing on behalf of our clients name several different defendants. We named DePuy Orthopedics, the company that made and sold the device. We named Johnson & Johnson, the parent company of DePuy Orthopedics. And we also name as defendants the two doctors who developed the device and who promoted it and who defended it for years after it was introduced into the market. We expect within several months' time there'll be several hundred complaints filed here in the state of California. Many other law firms are following our lead. We expect that sometime next year, all of these cases will be coordinated in one courthouse in the state of California, possibly here in San Francisco. DePuy Orthopedics, the company that made and sold the ASR device, has contacted all doctors that have implanted the device and asked those doctors to contact their patients. You may have received a letter from your doctor, I'm going to call it a Dear Patient letter, asking you to come in for a certain test, perhaps a blood test, perhaps x-rays, and perhaps an MRI. Take that letter seriously. The reason you should do this is because there may be metal debris in your body that's been generated by the ASR that is essentially destroying or damaging the tissue and the bone around your hip. If that deterioration continues, you may reach a point where there is a catastrophic failure in your hip. A bone may break, the device may come out of position, it will be a very painful event, and it may also be difficult to fix surgically.